Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we have two Baryonyxes and one Monolophosaurus. This is from the Epic Evolution that came with Yaz. It just came out a year ago. Okay, it's a repaint. So, here's the DNA scan. Okay, guys. It's pretty much it's a newly painted Monolophosaurus, and we have a Dino rival. Baryonyx, this is actually from 2017 right there. Doesn't have sound, it's just a manual Baryonyx. Has some scratches, painted scratches right there on the side, but not on this side. And we have a Dino Escape Baryonyx here. This one has sound, some switches. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 sounds. So this is from... what year was this made? Let's check it out. 2020. So 5 years ago. Alright, so it's our Baryonyxes, and we have the new Darius and Baryonyx PERIL pack. I don't know why I didn't say any Monolophosaurus in here. Okay. So it doesn't have any eyes because it is a blind dinosaur. It has a heightened sense from a source here. So we already have this. This one came out what, a year ago? Yeah, there's another net catching gun here. So what I hear that Kenji model pack is not coming to the US. It was cancelled here in the US, so it's only available in Australia. So I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. So yeah. Okay guys, so we'll unbox it. It is actually glued, not taped, so it is hard to open it up. I tried opening it earlier. Look at that. It's so... I probably have to damage the box now. Oh, let's check it out. Oh, it looks bad now. Okay. Alright guys, got it out. Doesn't look good. The box didn't look good how I open it, but doesn't matter. We have it here now. Wow, look at this. It looks so nice. I did it. And Darius looks different here again. Has some dirt in his shirt. Let's check this guys out. We'll open up the Monolophosaurus first. We'll bring him out. Compared to this Epic Evolution Mono. Okay, so let's check what year is this. It's probably from... This could be just a repaint. Yeah, I knew it. It's a repaint. So from 2021 says there. They just changed the paint. Okay, so anyways, no wonder the teeth still looks the same. It's an older version. Alright, so that's pretty much it. There's the DNA scan for this new one, for the Chaos Theory Monolophosaurus. So we have a lot of monos now. Pretty cool. Now let's bring out the Baryonyx. Or actually, let's go to Darius first. I like his shoes. Looks cool. Come on, Daryl, let's go out. Oh, Darius. I've been calling him Daryl for... Okay. Okay, yeah, let's check this tiny phone here. Oh, wow. He's got a tiny phone and this gun thing. Alright, let's try it out. Oh, nice. Okay, that's cool. It's just really tiny, like it's gonna help though. I wish I made it a little bigger. Something like that. Alright, now let's go to the Baryonyx. Our main event here. Our main guy. It's cool. Wow. It's so white and pristine. That's leucistic Baryonyx. This is like so cool. Look at this guy. It's an albino Baryonyx. Nice teeth. Lots of improvement there. Look at that, huh? Whoop. Hit my camera. Whoop. Alright, we're back. At least they didn't forget to paint the claws. Nicely done there. That's the good part. So this is another new model right here. A new sculpt for a Baryonyx. Because the epic attack is really big. It's a big Baryonyx, and this is like a not so bad. There's a DNA scan. Now let's compare to the other Baryonyx. Yeah, It's definitely a new sculpt again. Bigger Baryonyx now. Look at that. See? There you go. Let's get the Dino rival Baryonyx. It's smaller. Oh, I wish I grabbed the Epic Attack Baryonyx, huh? But anyways, I'm pretty sure it's bigger though. So this is like a medium Baryonyx. Also, they forgot to paint this claw right here. They left it out. I knew they keep leaving this out. They forgot to paint that, but that's okay. So yeah, really nice color. Albino Baryonyx, super cool. No eyes, no sound of, yeah, no buttons, yeah. That's pretty much it. Alright guys. Yeah, it's a nice feel, really cool. It's a pretty unique dinosaur. So I would say this is a, we should say these two are probably, let's call it legendary, huh? Or apex, we'll see. Oh no, I'm sorry, not apex, definitely not. In epic, that's what I'm trying to say. Epic. Oh, here it is, the new one. Yeah. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment. Thank you so much. You guys have a good week now. Take care. We'll see you again next video. We might be doing a Hammond collection. Could be the Atrociraptor Ghost or the baby Triceratops. Okay guys, thank you so much again. Have a good day. Bye for now.